Hello guys, silverGameOfThrone is here. How are we doing today? Silver, I wanted to say silver unboxing. Silver becomes unreachable, I don't know, unobtainable. You know, I'm not able to buy, you know, a nice silver what I like, you know, in normal prices, you know. Forget about spot price. Spot price is a bullshit. Where is my button? Spot price is a big, fat. Oh, this is what I like. Yeah, so if you pay attention last days, I'm buying fraction gold, okay? And here we have French 20 francs, French Rooster coin, okay? I bought it, you know, I have this feeling, you know, like how much I paid, 383, yeah, 383, it was a deal on UpMax. Today it's already 393, and this is tendency, guys. As I say, forget about spot price. It's a bullshit, guys. Who care about spot price today? Everyone is looking into grab physical as more as you can, you know, because it will be unobtainable. So because I have enough silver, you know, which I was buying for the last 6 years, 5-6 years, and I just don't have enough gold. So I try to keep gold, purchase, you know, whatever I can buy, you know, my cash. Here we go. Okay, 2 coins, French gold Rooster. So what do you have up front? Yeah, let me. It's good to see it. So very nice, very nice. They say almost uncirculated condition, and on obverse, I believe this obverse we have Lady, what they call it, Lady Marianne, designed by Kaplan. Lady Marianne. Beautiful, beautiful coin, beautiful lady from French. It's minted at the Paris Mint, and on reverse it is garlic rooster. On reverse. On obverse it's obverse, to say it correctly, on obverse. It's a bust of French national symbol, Marianne. Yeah, nice coins. I'm going to do my verification, going to put it in capsule, and guys, you just cannot go wrong with fraction gold, right? This is what I'm doing last days. When I see some deals, I'm buying, you know. I'm just buying. Putin say, you know, the ruble will be nominated in gold. So, you know, it's coming, guys. It's coming. So, it will not be in one day. But as I see my video about unobtainable, you know, fraction gold, it's just a fact, guys, okay? So, we are going to gold standard soon. I don't know how it will be, no one knows, but this is the future, guys. This is the future. So put your fiat here when you can, okay? So let me hold it and do my verifications. So checking for gold, it's 90% CU, 6.5 gram and 21 millimeter in diameter. So just checking if it's gold. Maybe close. Sometimes not easy to read. Oh yeah, you see, it's because it's 90%, right? So it's just reading very near, you see. Maybe, you know, more gold in one place, less gold in another place. Yeah, but it's I trust UpMax. I don't think Upmax. Yeah. Sometimes they require this disk, you know, calibration disk. You know, it's hard to say it. Yeah, you see the calibration disk, it's inside. But if not, if you are not sure, for example, then you know, you just go to any shop and you know, and shop will do it for free. As far as I know, they will not charge you even. Okay, so taking some measurement. They appears to be 1.3 millimeter in diameter, 1.3 millimeter in thickness, and 21 millimeter in diameter. 21 millimeter in diameter. Interesting enough, one coin is 1911, and another coin is 1901, right? Yeah, you see 1901, 1911. So I don't think they are a strike. I don't think they're beautiful rooster. I don't know how you guys, but there is something about this fraction gold. Yeah, people always wanted gold more than silver. And especially in this time of uncertainty, you know, inflation, high inflation going on and all this, you better keep gold and fiat. Very nice, very nice. So this is kind of preservation, wealth preservation, right? Okay, so going to put some capsule right now. Stay tuned. So usually I'm using my capsules with 1 millimeter less. So if it's 20 millimeter, I'm using 90 millimeter. You see, they a little bit less. I don't know, maybe it's too much. Yeah, 1 second. So yep, so it was 21 millimeter. So I use 20 millimeter size. Okay, I have this coin collection from Bowen, and it's 20 millimeter size, you see. Okay, so I'm going to put it here. 20 millimeter, beautiful coins, beautiful packaging, all is good. Baby gold, baby gold. Okay, go in here. Fraction gold is the way to go, guys. You know, I hate this 1 ounce big coins. Yeah, you just cannot go wrong. You will always find a buyer, you know, for 20, for small coins. Less risk, you know, more rewards. Let's make it bigger. Here we go, encapsulated. I also like this, you know, white color. The capsule, you know, all this rings, you know, I like them white. I don't know, for gold I use white, for silver, especially 2 ounce, I use black. And here we go, 2 more coins into my collection. Okay, wait, next time I also bought an 1 ducat, a lot of 1 ducat. Okay, it's coming next week, so stay tuned. Voila, beautiful coins, guys. I like them, like one of the best. This French Paris mint French coins, Rooster, the garlic Rooster. Okay, guys, like, subscribe, hit notification. Love you all, and keep stacking physical gold, silver, and the best crypto. Bye bye.